Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to link EA account to Twitch. First thing first, log into your EA account by going to ea.com and sign in with your credentials. Now, on the dashboard, go to Connected Accounts. You'll find it in your EA account settings. Navigate to the Connected Accounts section. Now, from the list of available platforms, choose Twitch. Now, click Continue and you'll be redirected to Twitch. Log in with your Twitch account and follow the prompts to complete the linking process. Now you can link your EA account directly from Twitch. Just open your Twitch connections page, find Electronic Arts, and follow the same linking steps. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.